Re-
Hello, my staffing friends. It's Terry Hartley here at Rustic Barn Cards. I wanted to jump on today and talk to you about my craft along. I had a craft along in July, and I'm going to have a craft along in September. So I'm going to explain what is a craft along, how you can join me, what it entails, and the cost, plus the bundle that I'm going to use, and I will give a sneak peek of the projects for my craft along in September. I know that some of you do not like the sneak peeks, so I will try to remember to warn you. So if you want to be surprised when you get your craft along packet, which is optional. All right. Well, a craft along is just what it sounds like. Everyone can join, doesn't cost anything. So if wherever you're watching me right now, Facebook or YouTube, that is where I will be for my craft along, and I will make 4 projects, and it is free to watch. If you would like to have me send you the pre-cut cardstock to make the projects, then you can register, and there is a cost for that. It includes shipping and product. So let me tell you a little bit about that. First of all, the bundle is not included. The bundle that I'm going to use is not included in your kit, but you can add it on when you register, and I will cover the tax and the shipping. So I'm going to use a brand new bundle from our holiday mini catalog, and I'm going to be using Sentimental Wishes. I really like this stamp set. It has dies that coordinate with a couple of extra dies on here that's not in the uh, stamp images. So that's the bundle I'm going to use. And if you decide that you would like to have the kit so you can craft along with me, you can craft along with me when I go live. You can watch the replay, so you can do it at your own time. If you decide to get the craft along kit with the pre-cut cardstock, I also will send you written tutorials to go along with that. So let me show you what is in your kit. So in your kit, you will have your projects pre-cut. You have envelopes for the cards. You will have a full pack of the Sentimental Christmas 12 by 12 Designer Series paper. You will have a roll of ribbon plus a full package of embellishments. So this month, it is over $30 of product. The cost for the kit is $44, and that does include shipping. The last day to register, registration is open now. The last day to register is September the 12th. The following week, I will have them sent out to you no later than the 19th of September. And we will craft along together on Wednesday, September the 25th at 1 p.m. Central. I want to just double check to make sure I gave you the right date. I know that's not my normal day of the week when I usually come and craft with you, but we are going to craft on Wednesday, September the 25th for our craft along. So I will be making all the projects, and again, it is free to watch. But if you would like me to send you ahead of time the kit, then go ahead and reach out to me. In the link, you will see how to contact me. The best way is to be on my email list, because in my email list, I can send you the link. Plus, you will always have, you will always know ahead of time all the events that's happening at Rustic Barn Cards. And I will be sending the email out tomorrow and then also at the end of the week to catch everyone who has maybe signed up and not in time to get the first email. So you will be able to receive the email with the link to register if you would like that kit sent to you ahead of time. All right, so the craft along, I said what it is, just crafting along with me. You can watch that free, absolutely free, on my Facebook business page, Rustic Barn Cards, or my YouTube channel, Rustic Barn Cards. If you would like to actually craft along with me, then you will want to order your kit by midnight on September the 12th. Then I need to order the product and cut everything and get that shipped out to you. And it takes me about a week to do that. And then we will craft along on Wednesday the 25th. And everyone should have their kit by then. And I will email you the written tutorials. And the cost is $44. Let me tell you what inks that you need and what supplies that you need. You're going to need 4 different inks. You're going to need your Memento Black ink, Poppy Parade, Pretty Peacock, and Shaded Spruce. You will need something to color with. I'm using blends. You could use colored pencils. You can use our markers. And what I have used, I will be using is Shaded Spruce blends, Petal Pink, Daffodil Delight, Old Olive, and Poppy Parade. In just a second, I'm going to turn the camera down and I'm going to give you a sneak peek of the projects that we are going to make together during my craft along. So if you don't want to know about that, you'll need to, turn away. But before I turn the camera down, I just wanted to mention this paper is Sentimental Christmas. And I love this kind of old-fashioned Christmas paper, kind of vintage. But what is even more special is that Stampin' Up! Is giving $3 from every pack that is purchased. They're going to donate $3 to children's literacy. And since I was a reading teacher for 36 years, language arts, that's very dear to my heart. Okay, are you ready for the sneak peeks? Let me turn the camera down. So here are our projects. We have we have 2 fun folds. So let's celebrate the season. And what I like about this, the participant can set your card up and enjoy that and think of you. So that is our first card. And yes, it does fit in an envelope. Our next card and this is also a fun fold. It opens up this way here. And then we have a treat box to make. Isn't that adorable? So those are the projects that we're going to be making during our craft along on Wednesday, September the 25th. I hope you like the projects as much as I do. I just love the stamp set and I really like the projects and the way they came out. And I hope that you do too. So again, it's free to watch. Just join me on Wednesday, September the 25th, where I'll make those projects at 1 p.m. Central. And if you would like to, and of course, you can always watch the replay if that's not a convenient time. If you would like the pre-cut cardstock and the products with the craft along kit for September that I shared with you, then go ahead and register for that. Okay, I will see you soon. Take care. I'm Terry Hartley at Rustic Barn Cards, and bye for now.